Alight Motion link verification failed. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Alight Motion link verification failed. So let's get started. So whenever you try to open any link, it just not open and does not download the file. It just says that there is verification fail error and it does not actually import the file using that link. So how you guys can fix that? You can fix that by reinstalling the application. You just have to long press or hold press Alight Motion application in order to uninstall it. So now you can uninstall it and after that you can reinstall it. But if you do not want to delete it, so you have to go to the settings, and the only thing that will work is in your Android you have to search for the application, and in the application you have to go to the application setting, and after going to that settings, I think select the app Alight Motion. So it should be in your mobile list. First go to that, and after there go to their storage section, and in storage clear the data. After clearing the cache, your issue will be resolved. So that's how you will be able to fix Alight Motion link verification failed issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.